Click on Windows button, go to command prompt and run it as administrator. Yes. Now issue this following command: WSL Windows subsystem Linux version install -install. The moment you issue the WSL install command, it installs the latest Linux kernel and also it downloads Linux distribution. By default it installs Ubuntu. If you want to change, you can change. Almost takes 7 to 10 minutes to install. If the screen gets stuck, just press an enter keyword. That's it. Now we have successfully installed Ubuntu. In order to get the changes, we need to restart the computer. After restarting the system, search for Ubuntu. Here you see Ubuntu app. Open it. It takes some time to complete the installation. Enter your username. I'm entering mine. It asks for password. And we confirm the password. Now you are good to go. Now you have created a user account on Linux system. To check whether it's working or not, just issue a simple command like cal. Here it is. To list all the files present in the system. Since here I didn't create any files, I did not find any one. Let's create a simple file using cat command. Hello there. This is file 1 content. That's it. In order to come out of the cat command, press Ctrl D and you will be out of cat command. That's it. Now let's see the ls command. It lists the files present in your account. That's it, guys. Press Windows. Now search for Windows turn on and off features. Here it's here in the control panel. We have Windows turn on and off feature. Click on it. Let me maximize this window. Okay. If you want to uninstall the Linux from your computer, simply untick this box. After that, you are going to get one window. In that window, press next and the Ubuntu will be gone from your computer. That's it, guys.